So this is, and I was gonna make a testimony, really sort of like people focused and like on the first half, and then like bringing God in the second half. But then one of the staff members told me like there's not enough God in it. So it's like and I mean yeah. But so if I don't, it's his fault. And so I thank God for you. That's the way to do it, right? So anyway, since you know my life before I accepted Christ, I'm going to go from my junior year, and after accepting Christ in 2007, and coming back from study abroad, I started coming to GCC. I was still very raw, very uncomfortable, green in lots of ways. And junior year at GCC was all about challenges and growth for me. It was really a building up of my foundation in Christ, and I credit it a lot to, I'm going to say it, Rev Love, and of course God. And I think if junior year was about knowing Him better, then senior year would be putting that foundation into action. And I got into another great family group, Hopscotch, thank you guys. And also I started really hanging out with the senior class, and you guys have been amazing, and really cherish those friendships that we've made. You guys have been awesome. But this year has been much harder, I guess, in my walk and in terms of sort of my faith in Him. Many of you know that this year hasn't really been the typical senioritis year for me at all. God set in front of me what seemed insurmountable obstacles in all areas, academics, friendships, extracurriculars, even church life. And I really don't know how many times I felt I couldn't endure. But by crying out for His strength and by having Him carry my burdens, He really helped me endure everything. A verse that I want to share with you is, "Have I not commanded you? Be strong and courageous. Do not be terrified. Do not be discouraged. For the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go." And that's Joshua 1:9. It's like this analogy of God as a tank. And God is this tank that comes with all His firepower. And He plonks you in the front seat and says, like Arnold Schwarzenegger, He says, "Come with me if you want to live." And He's just in total control. And He just comes to take care of everything and blast away all the doubt and sin and fear in your life. And I've just really been in awe of that this year. I just want to tell one story as I close. Recently, I found out that I'm not going to be able to graduate with honors this year. And the senior thesis that I had worked on for the whole semester is going to go to waste. And that all I would have to show for my efforts would just be a really bad grade. And for someone like myself who wants to stay in academia, this comes as a material, emotional, and also a psychological shock and setback. And I remember the run-up to finding out. I prayed a lot about it. I was obviously praying for favor, selfish that I am, and praying that my professor's heart would be moved. And I mean, God made everything else go well this year, so I didn't even ask for it. So why wouldn't He do it when I asked for it so much? But I also remember a lot of people praying for a peace on my part, whatever the outcome. And I was so set on this path of grad school and professorship that I guess I wouldn't have known what to do if things did work out, and things didn't. But God has given me that peace, and I know at least that He's seen my efforts, and that if no one else sees it, He sees it. And I now look to Him for the next step. I know that He's in total control. This semester has taught me that, and the friends that I've made have taught me that. And as I move on in life, I really will be depending on Him more and to guide my path in Him. And this summer, I'll be part of the Peru missions team, and it'll be time to think, time to spend with God, time to do His work. And after that, I don't know what will happen. I'm coming back to finish my master's, but I know that God will be with me in all I do. So thank you, seniors. Thank you, GCC. Thank you all so much. Thanks.